All right, let's begin this bulletin with our top focus this hour. The stage is all set for the capital clash as the Election Commission has now just moments ago announced the dates for the assembly elections in Delhi. The assembly elections in the national capital will take place in a single phase on February 5 and the votes will then be counted on February 8. Remember, the term of the 70-member assembly ends on the February 23rd. Joining us right now, Nikhil and Kritika, both joining us from the national capital. Nikhil, I'll start with you now. This is an announcement by the Election Commission. Even before the announcement, we saw the political rivalry, war of words heating up. But now, after the announcement, it's all going to be hitting a fever pitch.
And Arvind Kejriwal, he has also reacted on the official announcement from the side of the ECI. He has gone on to say that this is the election between the developmental work which is done by the Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government against the Gali Galoch, which is usually showcased by the leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, who is currently the principal opposition in the capital city. So both these sides are very well prepared today as well. Before the announcement from the side of the ECI, they also launched a campaign song as well, which is going to be recited in each and every campaign rally across the city by the Aam Aadmi Party. So starting from today, the model code of conduct also comes into the play. That means no new announcement can come out officially from the Delhi government. Although at the same time, the manifesto is something which is still awaited from all of the three parties, be it Aam Aadmi Party, Bharatiya Janata Party or Congress Party for that matter. If you go by the further details, today the date have been announced that on 5th of February the elections are going to take place, but 17th is the date when the nomination filing is going to take place. That is the last date, and still there are many of the candidates which are to be announced from the side of the Bharatiya Janata Party. While Aam Aadmi Party, they have already announced all of their 70 candidates, only 29 candidates have been announced from the side of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So they are yet to announce their candidates for a couple of seats. Apart from it, the Congress Party, they have also announced somewhere between 40 to 50 candidates. So this is something which is the update coming in from all of the three sides. But we need to see, starting from today, after the formal announcement by ECI, in what direction the election are going to go. Because so far, there are a couple of issues which have been raised, be it about the corruption or the pollution. Alleged liquor policy scam is also one such thing which is time and again raised by the leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party. But how much impact will it be made on the voters? Because the revert which is coming out from the Aam Aadmi Party, they are gradually, with each passing day, they were announcing the freebies. They have already said that they are going to come up, if they are back with the full majority, then Mahila Samman Yojana and free insurance or the healthcare scheme for the elderly people. Apart from it, they have also announced.
All right, Nikhil, even as you speak right now about the Aam Aadmi Party, its guarantees and also its strategy for the elections, Manish Sisodia is speaking live right now. Let's listen in.
ये ना इस विधानसभा में जिनके हमने उदाहरण दिए, इस विधानसभा में ये एप्लीकेंट कौन है जिसने सैकड़ों लोगों के नाम काटने के लिए कहा गया? उनके नाम क्यों छुपाए जा रहे हैं?
सर, किस तरह से देख रहे हैं इस ट्रांजिशन को? लगे रहो केजरीवाल, 5 साल केजरीवाल और अब फिर से लाएंगे केजरीवाल, क्या कुछ?
दिल्ली के जनता की दिल की आवाज है। पहले लोगों ने कहा 5 साल चाहिए केजरीवाल जी के लिए, 49 डेज की सरकार देख के लोगों ने कहा था। 5 साल की सरकार देख के लोगों ने कहा कि भाई अच्छे बीते 5 साल, लगे रहो केजरीवाल। अब फिर से लोग कह रहे हैं कि फिर लाएंगे केजरीवाल।
मनीष जी, महिलाओं को लेकर जो बयान दिए गए थे, उसको लेकर भी चुनाव आयोग ने कहा है कि महिलाओं के खिलाफ गलत बयानबाजी से उम्मीदवारों को बचना चाहिए।
हाँ, तो बिल्कुल तो एक्शन भी लेना। अगर नेता गाली गलौज पार्टी का है तो चुनाव आयोग कोई एक्शन नहीं लेगा। तो ये कौन से कानून में लिखा है कि गाली गलौज पार्टी का कोई नेता किसी महिला के खिलाफ अपशब्द बोलेगा, उसके शारीरिक उस पर टिप्पणी करेगा, उसके किसी महिला के माता पिता पर टिप्पणी करेगा और चुनाव आयोग चुप बैठा रहेगा? गाली गलौज पार्टी के खिलाफ जिस दिन एक्शन लेगा।
All right, so that was senior Aam Aadmi Party leader Manish Sisodia there talking about the key issues that the Aam Aadmi Party is taking to the voters this election season. Kritika joins me right now. Kritika, just a while back, Nikhil was getting us all the details from the Aam Aadmi Party office. You're, I believe, right outside the BJP office. The BJP, of course, has been targeting the Aam Aadmi Party over corruption, over civic issues, and also stating that Now, the party that came to power on an anti-corruption plank itself is mired in corruption. But the Aam Aadmi Party, on the other hand, has also been accusing the BJP of not having a leader, not having a CM face, and also at the same time abusing women. So what do you think are going to be the important issues this time around, and also the strategy of the BJP going forward?
Right, Ashish. In fact, we're right inside the Delhi BJP office, and I just request a camera person to give you the view of the model that has been created of the CM residence. Remember, this is one of the major issues that Delhi BJP is raking up right before elections. The corruption charges, whether be it with regards to the mismanaged of the funds that were allocated for the renovation of the CM house, or whether it is regarding the liquor, the excise policy, and the alleged liquor scam. These are the two main, in fact, repeated targets that the BJP has been making for a while now. In fact, what has also happened today is that Viren Sachdeva, the Delhi BJP chief, had in the morning also done a press conference where he had talked about how the CAG reports that were supposed to be, the 14 reports that were supposed to be tabled in Delhi Vidhan Sabha has not been tabled in the Delhi Assembly so far. And he's alleging that this shows the lack of transparency on part of the Aam Aadmi Party, especially on part of Arvind Kejriwal. So definitely corruption and the alleged corruption charges is something that the BJP will be focusing on. In fact, right at the end of the press conference, the first reactions that we were getting from the Delhi BJP chief was also him taking on the campaign song that has today been launched by the Aam Aadmi Party, which goes to the tune of Fir Layenge Kejriwal. Mr. Sachdeva, in fact, mocked it by saying Tihar Jayenge Kejriwal. So definitely, this is the type of tone that is going to be carried out for the next, in fact, 1 month. 5th is the day of the polling. And this is what the BJP is saying, that they're confident of forming a double-engine government here in Delhi. They're saying that the lotus will bloom on the 8th of Feb. In fact, what Mr. Viren Sachdeva has also said that party workers, booth workers have already been deployed. They are already carrying out their door-to-door campaign, which stresses on talking to the people over the promises made and that have remained unfulfilled, in fact, for the last 10 years. As far as civic issues are concerned, this is what BJP has been saying, not just right before the elections, but for the entire last 1 year, in fact, that the rejuvenation of Yamuna, the issue of air pollution, and the issue of roads and sewers continue to be a big lack on the functioning of the Aam Aadmi Party, and continues to, in fact, aggrieve the people of Delhi. Over to you, Ashish.
Absolutely, Kritika. Interesting that the BJP has now kept a model of the Sheesh Mahal there right outside the party office, and also countered the new Aam Aadmi Party song by saying that, well, Tihar Jayenge Kejriwal. A very interesting war of words and also creativity on full display ahead of the elections. One only hopes to see more of this instead of the slugfest and also the comments against women that are being made right now. Appreciate you joining us right now on the broadcast, getting us the point of view as far as the BJP is concerned, their election strategy now that the polls have been announced, the dates have been announced, and also the result date has also been announced. And also Nikhil was getting us all the updates. Appreciate you, Nikhil, joining us on the broadcast, getting us all the details from the Aam Aadmi Party office. In fact, in a high-octane start to the election season, Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal today launched the party's poll anthem. The anthem says, Fir Layenge Kejriwal, for the upcoming Delhi elections. Take a look.
फिर लाएंगे केजरीवाल, फिर लाएंगे केजरीवाल, फिर लाएंगे केजरीवाल, फिर लाएंगे केजरीवाल.
Like I said, creativity there on full display, and the song, as you just saw, proudly showcases Aam Aadmi Party's flagship welfare schemes like free electricity, free water, promises of 2,100 rupees every single month for all the eligible women in Delhi, along with free medical treatment for the elderly. It also doesn't hold back in targeting the BJP and the Congress, accusing them of spreading lies against the Aam Aadmi Party, while also hailing Kejriwal's relentless effort for the people. The anthem even crowns Kejriwal as a magician, saving money on infrastructure projects to fund welfare schemes. With the launch of this campaign song, the stage is all set for a fierce political battle in the national capital.
आज आम आदमी पार्टी का तीसरा गाना, एक गाना 2015 में आया था, एक गाना 2020 में आया था और एक आज गाना 2025 में लॉन्च हो रहा है। आज गाना हम इसे दिल्ली के लोगों को, देश के लोगों को समर्पित करते हैं। इसे खूब प्रचार कीजिए, इस पे डांस कीजिए, शादियों में, बर्थडे में इसको खूब बजाइए। और जो एक हमारे देश की पार्टी है, गाली गलौज पार्टी, कौन सी है? तो हमारे देश की जो गाली गलौज पार्टी है, उसके नेता भी, मैं जानता हूं उन्हें भी गाना पसंद आएगा, वो भी अगर चाहें तो अपने घर में कमरा बंद करके अंदर से इसको गाने को चला सकते हैं और उस पर थिरक सकते हैं, कोई देख नहीं रहा।
All right, we'll be getting you all the details as far as the Delhi elections are concerned. Lots more lined up on the other side. Time for a short break. We'll be right back.